Today, I'll introduce you to two most important principles of nature. Two most important principles. Anything can go wrong, but these two principles will never go wrong. If a scientist formulates a new theory or a scientist finds out a result for an experiment, they should check it against these two principles. If those results of the theory or the experiment do not agree with these principles, those theories are wrong, experimental results are wrong, but not these two theories. You guessed rightly. What are those two principles, children? SRIKANTH, Rana, energy principle, yes. And one more thing is the principle of conservation of linear momentum. Half the physics problems can be done from this, believe me. So those two principles we'll be discussing now. Cool way we'll do. Yes, conservation of mass is okay. Conservation of mass should be changed now. I'll do that now. Conservation of mass is all right in chemical reactions or in a mass flow, in a fluid flow. But conservation of mass is not enough. Conservation of mass plus energy we should talk. That's the reason I told you already. You could say conservation of mass plus energy plus conservation of momentum are the main principles of nature on which the whole universe or universes run. Okay.